called me old-fashioned, but I really like in this new panel that you've got buttons again. You don't have touch screen like with previous model, and I feel this is great because it's so easy to use. Turn it on, turn it off, and especially for people who are elderly and maybe they have problems with vision, or they have too big fingers, which is not easy to use the touch screen. This one is so easy. Switch off, switch on, turn on the night light, or adjust the brightness. You can do easily with 4 buttons, and I think this is great. Sometimes less technology is better.